Good morning, folks. This is Dominoes 7 here. All right. Like to welcome y'all to this vlog and stuff like that. Okay. So I'm going to have this vlog on all three of my YouTube channels. The Domino 866 Gameplay channel, the Domino 7 Vlog channel, and the Domino 7 Show channel. Okay. My gaming slash vlogging channel, my vlogging slash episode channel, and my episode channel with the Domino 7 Show. Okay. All right. So, what I want to talk about is the route changes to Regional Transit Authority of New Orleans. Okay, New Orleans Regional Transit Authority. Starting September 25th, 2022, there's gonna be route changes. Some people will not cope with it. Well, fortunately for me, it's not going to affect me. You understand? But them route changes and taking away of a route and stuff like that is going to affect some people, But the problem is that they're going to take some bus routes away, So they changing the routes and some are expanding the routes. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I want to tell y'all, don't y'all curse them bus drivers out. Them bus drivers is not responsible for the route changes. It's the big boss. You know what I'm saying? It's the big boss. Okay? If you think them route changes and taking away of the routes is very unjust, you protest in front of Regional Transit Authority. You got to protest things. You know what I'm saying? Do not go around cursing bus drivers out. Because let me tell y'all something. These bus drivers is doing the routes and bringing y'all where y'all have to go. Okay? Them bus drivers is not responsible for any route changes. You hear what I'm saying? These bus drivers is not, and I'll reiterate, is not responsible for taking away this, taking away that, and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So if you are a dirtbag and stubborn enough to get mad at any bus driver because of changes, you a complete idiot. Okay? So I'm telling y'all, do not take your frustration out on the bus drivers. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do things the right way. Protest. You know what I'm saying? All right. If you seem as though things is unfair, you let the big boss know. No cursing, no violence, or none of that. You know what I'm saying? You do that, you go to jail. If you act a fool, you go to jail. But guess what? Them jails is ready to take any stupid idiot in. I'm not trying to be negative or nothing like that, because you go out there and act a fool, you're gonna be treated like a fool. Cause I understand. Cause to be honest with y'all, I'm not feeling the route changes myself. Okay, but I'm not gonna go around cursing them bus drivers out for what? Do you think that is their fault that the routes is changing? The only way I will curse one of them out is if they have an attitude with me or curse me first. You know what I'm saying? That's the only way I curse a driver out is if he or she have an attitude with me. You know what I'm saying? But let me tell y'all something. Stop taking your frustration out on these drivers. Okay? Don't act a fool. Okay? Because, them jails is standing by to take any inmate in that act a fool. You want to go to jail, act a fool. You know what I'm saying? You could go to jail and never come out, even for a misdemeanor. You know what I'm saying? Or 1 point of misdemeanor, under a centimeter or whatever, you know, a 0.0% misdemeanor, you know. So, like I tell y'all, I don't know if I'm making this video and it makes sense or not. I don't know. Okay, I don't know if it makes sense or not. You know, sometimes I say things out of complex myself. Okay, because I'm telling y'all, these bus drivers is out here to do their job. You hear what I'm saying? These drivers is out here to do their jobs. Okay, it's not their fault that the routes are changing. You know, because you know what? You want to act like an animal, people will treat you like an animal. Lock you up in a cell. You know what I'm saying? There's consequences for your actions. You know what I'm saying? Okay? All right. So the Leisure Fields bus, okay, is going probably do a loop or something like that, you know? It's not going to go through the French Quarters anymore. Okay? So, unfortunately, the Marigny Bywater, the 5 Marigny Bywater, they say they're going to take that route away, which is a bad idea to me. I think it's a bad idea, to be honest with y'all. Okay? That's a bad idea to me, y'all. That is definitely a bad idea to me. To be honest with y'all, I think that's a bad idea. You know, I don't think I like that idea of them taking that route away. You know, I think that's a bad idea, to be honest with y'all. You know, honestly, because you know something, y'all, that there's people. Well, it doesn't matter how many people rides that bus, that route. You know what I'm saying? To me, it doesn't matter if it be 3 or 4 or whatever. You know, some people gonna be very upset about that. You know, to me, I think it's a bad idea to take that route away. You know, so well, to me, I think they should change that route. You know, go from go straight down Poland. You know, instead of taking it away, they should expand that route. You know, go straight down Poland, keep going straight down Poland, and then go in front of the Gentile Walmart and turn right on Press Drive, make that U-turn by Stephen Gerrard, like the 60, not 60, 80 Louisa Desire bus, you know, or something like that, or go straight down Press Drive to Suno, you know what I'm saying? And then go straight up Press Drive, make a left on Press Drive, not Press Drive, on Chefman Tour, and then go out on that bridge and make a right on Poland and go over that bridge and go straight down and stuff like that. You know, to me, that's a good idea. You know, okay, because the Marigny Bywater should do that too. You know. And stuff like that, you know, go through the night wall like that and stuff like that, down Bywater and stuff like that, you know. I mean, I honestly, y'all, I wish, I mean, should I go to the meetings and stuff like that, you know, and suggest routes or something like that, you know. Some of them bus drivers, they call me the bus man, you know. A bus man, and some people call me boss man. You know, this former bus driver called me the bus man. You know, and yes, I am the bus man. You know, rides the bus a lot. You know, I don't give them bus drivers no problems. You know, I hope you RTA passengers is watching me, okay? Cause I'm just saying, y'all. Y'all do not have to, and I reiterate, y'all do not have to get mad at the bus driver. You do not have to get mad at the bus driver. Because, you know, so September 25th, 2022, to today is September the 2nd, 2022. Okay? So, I mean, y'all can make suggestions. You agree with what I say, you know? Then y'all could comment below or stop me in the street or something like that if you watch this video. You don't have to have a YouTube account to watch Domino 7. Because, before I got a YouTube account and stuff, well, a YouTube channel or whatever, before I got that, I was watching videos on YouTube and stuff like that without even having a YouTube channel, I started doing YouTube videos since 2010. You know what I'm saying? And I love doing this. So God is blessing me. Okay? So another thing I want to tell y'all. All y'all do is wake y'all asses up, excuse my language. Wake y'all behinds up and say thank God for another day. There's some people that never woke up. You know what I'm saying? Act a fool, be evil and stuff like that. So go to jail or you burn in hell. Okay? Because Tiario, sometimes he knows what he's talking about. He say a lot of things that I don't agree with. He say a lot of things I don't agree with. But sometimes he be making a point. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes he be making a point. So let me tell y'all something. I'm begging y'all. Do not, and I reiterate, do not under no circumstances, do not take your frustration out on a bus driver. You understand? They didn't do you nothing. Okay? So I see if that bus driver disrespect you, curse you out and stuff like that, then that'll be a different story. You know what I'm saying? You want to have an attitude? That's on you. But guess what? The police officers everywhere is standing by to look for anybody to take to jail for disorderly conduct. You know what I'm saying? So you want to go to jail? That's on you. Mess up your life like my oldest brother did. That's on you. You know what I'm saying? All that is on you. Okay? I'm not messing up my life for nobody. God bless me with this YouTube channel. Bless me with a roof over my head, clothes on my back, food on the table, shoes on my feet. Well, sorry about that. Those are slippers. Okay? All right? So, shoes on my feet, warm bed to sleep in and stuff like that. I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? I'm too stressed to be. I'm gonna say I'm too blessed to be stressed. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just telling y'all, these RTA bus routes is going to change. I may not like it, but guess what? I'm just going to have to deal with it. Pray to God that RTA change what they change. All right, and that's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching. Remember, take heed, or else you could go to jail. All right. All right. So that's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye-bye, y'all.